So today's lesson will consist of completing an Edpuzzle. What an Edpuzzle is, it is a video with questions embedded inside of it. So as you watch the video at times it'll pause and it'll ask you a question. It won't let you move on in watching the video until you answer that question. So let me show you guys how to access this video. That way you guys can get your points. If you guys go to Schoology, you see on our little calendar to the right, I've included some videos. You might have one video, you might have two, you might have three. So you have to look at specifically how many videos you have. This person, they have two videos that they need to complete. So how you do it, when you click the video, if for some reason this page does not load, which I'm seeing is happening for a few people, you need to either refresh your screen or close out all your tabs, including this page, and then reopen it, and that should fix the problem. So, how an Edpuzzle works. There are a few things. You have your video right here, you have a play button, a restart button, and then you have this little time bar here in gray, which you can kind of see. You need to make sure that in order for the Edpuzzle to submit your work, you need to make sure that you watch the entire video to the end of the time bar. So this video specifically, it's 6 minutes and 14 seconds. So you need to make sure that you watch up to the 6 minutes and 14 seconds in order for it to submit your work. As you're watching it, you can see these little bubbles here. That tells you a question is coming up. So that's kind of like a little preview for you there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. That way you know what to expect. So if I play the video, it'll start playing. For you guys, it might be a little hard to hear the sound on the video, but just know that it is playing right now. And we see, okay, for some reason it paused. It's not moving on. That's because they're asking us a question. So if you scroll down from the video, you could see our question here. And our question says, what will he talk about? You guys couldn't hear the sound on the video, but I was able to hear him and I was paying attention, and I know that this video, they're going to talk about galaxies. So I'm going to click that, and then I can click submit. If for some reason I didn't hear what he was talking about, I can click rewatch and they'll play that little clip over. But for me, I'm going to click submit because I heard him. And we could see it's green. It says 100 out of 100. I got it right. So next, click continue, and then the video will keep playing. So you can see the time, it's going, it's still playing, and so on. So, you would go through the whole video, watch the whole video until you've gone through all the questions, and it'll give you a score at the end. Again, make sure you watch the entire video to the end in order for it to submit your answers. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Okay, good luck.